Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see the data action copy, and we are going to see the different feature and how to create a copy data action. So here it is the screen of SAC and SAC Planning, and here I have chosen to create a data action copy. And here you can see that you have the option to create add step. So once you click it, copy, you can see the step is added here, and we're going to see the different feature here for the copy. So first you have to type a name, a technical name, then a description, then this data source. So when you are creating a copy step, then your data source needs to be chosen as well. Then coming to the filter section, filter here by default, the version will be chosen here. And it means that what version you are going to save the data. So that will be your target version. And also in the filter, you can choose additional fields such as date or account or region. Suppose this is what I have in my dimension for this model. Whatever dimension you have, you can choose in the filter. Suppose you want to work on any region called A or B, so you can take that filter in it. Then coming to the aggregation meaning that here also you can add different dimension, meaning that when you are saving a data into the target, then based on any field that you want to aggregate. Suppose I want to uh, give you example of a site or plant. So you want to aggregate based on all the plant data. So you can take the field from this aggregation and you can do that. So now coming to the main option of this copy data action, that is the copy rules. In the copy, we generally copy from one value to another value. Suppose if I give you an example of date, I want to copy date from suppose in the source you can choose as 2023 as an example, and in the from in the to you can 2024. So you're copying data from 23 and saving it 24. So you can add multiple copy rules as you liked. An important thing to note is that if you do some aggregation, or suppose here I have used date in my copy rule, so you cannot do aggregation on date, and similarly vice versa. Now coming to this last option, that's called the extra option we have at the end, that's called option. We have two options called override and data generation mode. Override, append, or override. So as the description suggests, that append means you want to add the value to the target structure, and override means you're going to override these the existing data. Now the coming to the last one, the auto generation mode. So here we have detect automatically. So by default, detect automatically should be saved. Then we have the other time granularities like day, week, or month. It means for a specific day you can choose when this copy function to be executed, and so on. This is all about this copy data action. You can try in your system, and you can feel free to comment if you find any issues or you want to know more about this. Thank you for watching.